kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the A to Z 1 to 10 and we will fill colors in these shapes. Parrot green color, orange color, yellow color, brown color, violet color, icy blue color and pink color. So let's get started. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gorilla. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for king. L for lamb. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for strawberry. T for top. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Very good guys, you have completed from A to Z. Now let's move to 1 to 10. Yellow color 1, blue color 2, parrot green color 3, orange color 4, violet color 5, brown color 6, icy blue color 7, green color 8, yellow color 9, pink color 10, 1 to 10, circle, triangle, square, heart. Now let's fill the color in these shapes. Yellow color, circle. Yellow color, circle. Blue color, triangle. Now let's fill parrot green color in square. Square. Now I am filling orange color in heart. good guys. You have completed from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yellow color circle, blue color triangle, parrot green color square and orange color heart. Very good guys, you have done this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.